This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to embed a video in a Klaviyo email. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing a testimonial, or simply adding some engaging content to your email, embedding a video can make your message more dynamic and effective. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your Klaviyo account open and ready to go. Once you're in the email editor, look to the left sidebar panel. Here, you'll find a variety of blocks that you can use to build your email. What we're looking for is the video block. This block is specifically designed to make embedding videos quick and easy. Once you've located the video block, click and drag it into your email layout canvas. Simply drop it where you'd like the video to appear. This could be at the top for maximum visibility, in the middle for a balanced layout, or even at the bottom if you're summarizing your message with a video. The choice is yours, so consider where it will have the most impact. Now, with the video block placed in your email, the next step is to click on it. Doing so will bring up the settings panel on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll configure the video to ensure it displays correctly in your email. In the settings panel, you'll see a field labeled Video URL. This is where you'll paste the public link to your video. It's important to note that the video must be hosted on a platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or TikTok. These platforms provide public links that are compatible with Klaviyo's video block. So, head over to your chosen platform, find the video you want to share, and copy its public URL. Once you have the URL, return to Klaviyo and paste it into the video URL field. This action will automatically pull in a thumbnail of your video, giving your email recipients a preview of what they'll be watching. It's a good idea to double-check that the link is correct and that the thumbnail looks as you expect. This quick verification ensures your email will look professional and polished. And that's it! You've successfully embedded a video into your Klaviyo email. Before you send it out, consider previewing your email to see how the video looks across different devices. This step is crucial because you want to make sure the video is accessible and displays correctly, whether your audience is viewing it on a desktop or a mobile device. Embedding video in your emails can significantly boost engagement, as videos are a highly effective way to capture attention and convey information quickly. By following these simple steps, you can easily add this powerful tool to your email marketing strategy, helping you connect more effectively with your audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to maximize your digital marketing efforts. See you in the next video.